Hey everyone, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and check this out. I just got this, a new DEWALT adjustable shop stool with casters. It's model number DXSTAH025, and if some of this looks familiar to you, it's because it's made by JS Products, the same people that make the adjustable shelving for DEWALT. So it has a lot of similar looks, a similar build. Very cool stool that is very comfortable. I guess if you want to have something that's going to slide around, you want to work on cars, work on side-by-sides, ATVs, anything in the shop, even I guess you're going to use this also on a job site if you really wanted to be comfortable and move around. The first thing we did was assemble this. The instructions tell you got to put in some screws, do this, that, and the other. There's nothing to it. You're going to slide this top cylinder in that's going to allow you the adjustability, pop the stool or the seat on top, and you're in business. Now this guy adjusts from 22 to 26.5 inches, and it does come with feet. You have basically these plastic pieces that are around, and it has little levelers. These are shims that you can put in. So you don't have to put these shims in if you don't want to, but you can level it out if needed. And if you don't have a wrench, they send you this little handy guy here. Let's hope that you have a wrench. So with that said, if you put those feet on, you would lose 3.5 inches. And if you didn't need to slide around and you were working on cars, I'd highly suggest it, because you can see I feel a little taller or a little higher than I would be normally when I'm working on a car. I have to bend over to get to the bottom. Not a big deal, because this stool is comfortable enough that that's exactly how I would want this to be, with the little back, a little bit more support, easy to move around. Now it is 16 inches wide, so the first thing I wanted to test was, what if my foot got caught? Am I just gonna go flying out of this thing? And you're not. It's very stable for the size. It looks awesome. I think that's the first thing that I come down to. This thing looks very, very cool, so had to have it. The feet or the casters on it have a little bit of rubber built into them. There's no ball bearings in there. It's just going to sit and move around on the plastic, but at the same point, they slide around very, very easy. Now, if you're not in the market for this, but you want something that looks similar to it, like some shop stools, they do make a similar looking shop stool that is 32 inches tall. It does swivel like this one, but doesn't have casters on the bottom. They would be awesome for, you know, your man cave or bar. You can check it out. Those are also made by the JS Products, licensed by DEWALT. This is 99 bucks at this point. Not too bad for the quality that you're getting. You do have a grate down here if you want to put something on it, but the reality is you're not going to put too many hand tools down here unless you put a plastic liner over it, because a lot of them maybe fall through. But that might be a good thing for pliers or something, because you could stand them up down there. Sockets and other type things just going to fall through. Either way, very cool stuff coming out from DEWALT. I love it. Currently, Home Depot is where I'm finding it. I will add some links to the description if I can find it in other places, give you other options. As always, we thank you for your time. Please give us a like on this video. Follow us here so you can get more tool news and project stuff that we have going on. We have moved in. We've got a Can-Am Maverick X3 behind us. We've got to finish up our Corvette. Lots of cool things that are happening. We will catch up with you soon. Giveaways are coming, guys. Have a good weekend.